the hydrogen water bottle generator by Zazabel. A lot of people aren't aware of what hydrogen water is or what it does for the human body. And I'm not going to go over a lot of the medical reasons because I can't, for many different reasons here on Amazon, but I drink it before and after a workout. What it's supposed to have, what it does for the human body is it reduces inflammation and quickens a recovery process after your workouts. These things are portable. You fill it with water, takes just under 14 ounces, right about 14 ounces of water, and you push this little button right here, and when the light comes on, that creates the ions, the hydrogen ions, as you can see in this earlier, bubbling up there. And once that's infused with the water, you can safely drink it. And that will help speed up recovery. The hydrogen molecules fuse with your cells, and it actually will hydrate you better than if you were to just drink a regular bottle of water. So for the price and for what it delivers for you, I mean, if you're into fitness or exercise, I highly recommend considering one of these. They are rechargeable. It does come with a charging cable. Now this one is a round charging connection, not a USB or USB-C or anything like that. So be aware of that. And the other side is USB-A. So you're going to need a charger that takes a USB-A fitting. So just know that when that blue light comes off, that means it's completed its hydrogen process and you can drink away. I'm going to go ahead and uncap it. Cheers.